Hey everybody, it's Peter from NashvilleDoorCompany.com, and today in this video I'm going to give you some tips about how to best protect your exterior doors if you have old doors or old frames and they have some gaps or they're a little drafty, they just don't seal well. And I have 3 product recommendations that we can install for you. First is a threshold. You may have a threshold, you may not. Your threshold may not be any good anymore. These come in metal and wood, and these sit underneath the door. Now, if you have an entry door and the door opens into your house, your threshold needs to be higher than the surface into which the door opens. If it is not, it's not going to work properly. Now, in addition to a threshold, you need what's called a door bottom. And now let's imagine this is the bottom of your door. Wood cannot seal properly against metal. They can't rub. That just doesn't work. So there has to be a gap. So if you have a door with no protection on the bottom of it, you have to have a gap in order for it to work. And that's why the second piece of equipment I recommend is called a door bottom, sometimes called a door shoe. It's a U-shaped metal channel, and it has this rubber strip on the bottom. And this does a few things. The metal channel protects the bottom of your door from rotting, and this curved piece is called the drip cap. So if water hits your door, it will run off over the drip cap, and the rubber strip on the bottom gives you a nice contact and seal against your threshold. So imagine you have a threshold, and again, it could be metal or wood, and now you have this door bottom on, and instead of having a gap, now you've got a nice snug seal. Now, in order to install these, I have to take off the door, trim it, install this properly, and when it's on there, it's nice. Now, the third piece of equipment I recommend is called a door set. And these come in 3 pieces. 1 piece for the top of the door and 2 pieces to cover each side. These get installed on the exterior of your home. And it's got a metal strip here with a rubber edge, and this gets installed on the exterior frame, and the rubber edge pushes up gently against your door, and this eliminates any gaps. So to review, you need a good threshold that's properly installed, you need a door bottom on the bottom of your door, and you need a door set around the frame of your door. Now remember, a house door is not a submarine door. They're not going to be watertight or airtight 100% perfect. But with the combination of these 3 things, you can get the best protection possible for your old door and frame. Got our door in. Nice snug seal. Get that, no light coming through underneath. We got the exterior weather stripping. Fully sealed with this exterior weather stripping. Got a door bottom on here, properly sealed with our rubber strip. You can feel and hear that nice seal when it closes. That's the way you do it. Give us a call. We'll be happy to come install one or all of these.